Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you the secret of making the perfect, soft, grainy textured and delicious Rava Laddu which you can make in advance this festive season. This traditional and authentic method of preparing the Rava Laddus gives a long shelf life to them as we are not going to use milk or coconut in this recipe. Now come, let's get started. For making Rava Laddus, I have taken 250 grams of Chiroti Rava. What's special about this Rava is its fine texture when compared to the regular Rava. When this Rava is used for making the Laddus, it need not be ground or pulsed in a mixer. You can just you roast them and you can use them. Next ingredient is ghee. I have taken 75 ml or 1/3 cup of ghee and 150 grams of sugar and cashews 25 grams followed by raisins 25 grams and cardamom powder half a teaspoon and add a pinch of salt, but it is optional, and water 4 tablespoons or 60 ml or quarter cup. Now grind the sugar to a fine powder. In the authentic Rava Laddu preparation, sugar syrup with one string consistency and all is not required. Now transfer the powdered sugar into a mixing bowl and add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and a pinch of salt and mix well. Salt enhances the taste, but adding salt is optional. Now keep it aside. Take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee gets heated, simmer the stove and add 250 grams of Chiroti Rava and roast over a very slow flame. Roasting over a slow flame is the key to get the perfect textured laddus. Keep stirring with a spatula until you get a nice aroma of the roasted rava with the ghee. As you keep roasting, the color will turn pale yellow. I roasted it for about totally 15 minutes. Now it has turned into sand color and this is the color we need to switch off the stove. Now transfer it into the powdered sugar mixture and mix until all the ingredients get incorporated well and keep it aside. Now take a pan and add 75 ml of ghee. Once it gets heated, add 25 grams of cashews and fry till they turn light brown in color. Now add 25 grams of raisins and fry them. Now switch off the stove and add them to the roasted rava and sugar mixture and mix thoroughly. And at this stage, the mixture will be slightly dry and crumbly, and hence we will not be able to shape them into perfect round balls. So we have to add hot boiling water little by little and mix gently with a spatula and leave it for about 20 minutes. Here I've used about quarter cup or 4 tablespoons of hot water. After 20 minutes we can mix with a palm. You have to first press the mixture tightly like the way I'm doing and shape them into balls. The moisture was perfect enough to shape them into laddus. You can see how it looks perfectly soft and grainy in texture with no air cracks. This is the correct texture for the delicious Rava Laddus. Since we have not added milk or coconut, they can be stored in room temperature in airtight container for up to 10 days. With this quantity, you can make about 13 to 14 laddus. Friends, please try this recipe and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like and subscribe to my channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.